Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make the Wither in Minecraft. So if you're wondering how you can make the Wither in Minecraft, then in this video that's exactly what I'm going to show you. So I'm going to show you guys how you can do this over in Creative. So the first thing you need to do is create a world, and then once you're spawned in, you want to make sure that you find a spot where there's no grass touching any of your blocks you're just going to place. So make sure you just have a little bit of like an area where you can just simply start placing blocks. Now once you have done that, what you simply want to spawn in is some soul sand and some wither skeleton skulls. This can also be done of course over in survival, but then you do need to find them. So you need 3 soul sand and you need 3 wither skeleton skulls. Or you actually need 4 soul sand, so make sure you have that. And then once you've done that and once you have your area where you want to place it, simply place 2 blocks just like this. And then you want to go a little bit to the left and you want to place another block and another block like this. Basically creating a small little T just like this. And once you've done that, you can either jump and place your skulls just like this, or you can simply fly if you're in creative. Do make sure to always place the first skull over in the middle and make sure that they are facing you, otherwise it will simply not work. Then the second you can place as well, and if I place right now the third, then the wither will spawn in. And do make sure to stay a little bit, just make sure to be cautious, because the wither is going to immediately attack you if you're in survival. We can see right now I placed the last block, and right now the wither has spawned in, and we can see here at the top of my screen that's the wither's health bar, and I can now start attacking it of course. But yeah, that's basically how you can spawn in the wither over in Minecraft. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.